I have to talk about a little bit on this restart manager. The restart manager you see here, it's creating this restart informations. You can use restart informations to create rerun or transient. One way to, if you have a restart, oh, let's just open up the simple plan, because the simple plan has this restart capability simulation. So we want to do that. Simple plan, and then let's pick the simple plan. Simple plan, if you go through the training, you know there's a steady state and there's a restart, right? I can run the steady state, the simple plan. Let's just go ahead and run it. Okay, it's done with running the steady state. And you can see there's several snap points for restart. And if you want to start with 300, okay, you want to rerun from 300, you can click on the 300 and then create restart input and ask you to where you want to save it. You can just click anywhere you want it, and it's gonna save it, and it's gonna load it in the restart session, and then use that one. You can actually rerun the code. So when you rerun the code, you see the plot is starting from the 300, right? Because you just restart from that point. Does that make sense, right?
Yeah, that makes
Okay.
sense. Yes.
So and for the simple plan, we have modified the prioritizer and then make a transient. So we can load that transient here. I already loaded right there. And then let's just run it. Okay. So that transient starts. So what I did was I was just running this simple plan transient from the restart manager, and then it restarts from the 200 seconds. So you can see the restart is running, and then it's not steady state anymore, it's transient. So basically you run the restart in RHYS, it's gonna keep the steady state or the previous runs, and it's easy to use to compare with your new runs, steady state and transient. Okay.